Karnataka Government has introduced a draft policy to tackle phone addiction among students with a strong focus on mental health, cyber safety and responsible digital behaviour. The draft policy, prepared by the Department of Health and Family Welfare in collaboration with NIMHANS and other stakeholders, highlights growing concerns over excessive internet use among adolescents. According to the document, nearly 1 in 4 adolescents is showing signs of problematic internet use leading to anxiety, sleep disturbances, poor academic performance and social isolation. Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao said, excessive mobile phone use is affecting communication within families and disturbing social structures. Under the draft policy, schools will be required to define screen time limits restricting entertainment screen time to 1 hour per day. Schools must also create their own digital usage policies and address cyber misconduct while ensuring access to counseling support. Teachers will be trained to identify behavioral and academic red flags linked to digital addiction and refer students to mental health services through structured mechanisms. Digital wellness committees will also be set up in schools to monitor implementation. The policy proposes tech-free periods encouraging offline activities like physical exercise, sports and hobbies. Digital wellness will be included in life skills and ICT, Information and Communication Technology curriculum covering social media literacy, ethical technology use and cyber safety. Monitoring systems will track digital distress and connect students with support services including telemanas. A training of trainers model under a digital detox framework will help teachers identify technology addiction using the 5C model: craving, control, compulsion, coping and consequences. The policy also assigns rules to all stakeholders. Students must practice responsible digital behavior and seek help when needed. Teachers will monitor student well-being and promote digital awareness. Parents are encouraged to create device-free zones at home and supervise technology use. The government will provide guidelines, funding and oversight. The draft policy aims to reduce digital addiction, improve mental health, encourage early intervention and create safer digital environments for students.